With the excess materials exchange, we want to remove barriers that inhibit us from realizing the circular economy. On our platform, we have noticed that there's some issues around trust and safety in using used and recycled materials that are offered on our platform. A lot of that is around perceived risk, and so we're here at Aon to understand what that risk looks like, what of that is actually perceived risk and what is real risk, and then how we can, together with Aon and their partners, see if we can tackle that risk. What I found very refreshing about today is that with the EME, we've always said that we find the capture of data through, for example, passports really important and the ability to track and trace materials. And now in this workshop, we find that actually having this data in place helps understand the risk a lot better, which sort of underpins the value of having these passports. And in doing so, these passports can then become sort of like a de facto standard for the circular economy and for the industries that engage themselves with that.
We approach innovation always to benefit our customers and our clients. How does Aon innovate to be able to transfer more risk into the insurance market? It could be how to help customers attract and retain talent, but fundamentally, how do we solve their business challenges so we can help enable growth? And we do that by industry, by country, by product line, by solution line. So the innovation is wide and varied, and sometimes it's really big ticket innovation where we're fundamentally changing the way parts of the industry work. Often it's more incremental innovation. It really depends on what the challenge is. But fundamentally, we always take it back to what problem are we solving for our clients. I think it's a super opportunity for growth, both for Aon and clients in general. I think we view the circular economy as really important in the way that countries, businesses are going to have to hit their carbon reduction targets, their ESG commitments, the wider impact on the climate. So we see it as really important, and we want to be able to utilise what we can do, which is the transfer of risk. And how do we help circular economy companies, circular economy platforms accelerate their growth so it becomes a much more accepted business opportunity? So there are more buyers, more sellers on the circular economy platforms, and they do so with confidence of trading.
Today's workshop with the excess materials exchange has been really exciting for us. We've spent a lot of time understanding the difference between some of the perceived risks within the model and the actual risks that present themselves. I think critical to the success of a platform business such as the EME is really getting to the heart of how we can build trust and safety to enable growth and build confidence in the products and services that are being provided, whether that's as a seller of a product or on the platform, or a buyer of that product coming to the platform looking to get new materials and support the circular economy. When it comes to building out an insurance and risk transfer proposition, what's really exciting about Aon is helping businesses and platforms on their growth journey. So really partnering from an early stage and helping them go through every stage of that growth journey together, because we recognise that it's not a one-size solution fits all, and that one solution that you build today might not be the right solution tomorrow. But if we can get you on that roadmap to get you there, that's what's really exciting for us. So yeah, we're very passionate, and we believe that the circular economy and sustainability, they're core values for us at Aon, and we're really passionate about helping businesses who are enabling that in the wider society.
So one of the reasons why we really appreciate having this workshop together with Aon is not only their experience with other large platforms which have dealt with the same issues that we have dealt with as a platform, but also their particular focus on helping marketplaces and platforms scale through better understanding risk and in some ways helping cover that risk in enabling them in their growth journey. What I especially appreciate about working together with Aon or exploring this journey together in understanding the risks on our platform is that we have a very strong shared set of values where we feel like we both aim towards the same goal, which is realizing a circular economy, creating a society that is better to people and to our planet. And I think once you have that shared set of values, the journey itself becomes not only easier, but also I would say more enjoyable.